I have a lot of friends here tonight. So I got one of my friends them who did this song. So drop it. Now call him name. We can just walk out. You understand? Pretty girl them. Ladies, this song is called "Wind Up for Me." Okay. So if you're there beside a man, wind up. It's very sexy, ladies. Wind up. So many pretty girls in this party. So many pretty girls. Party. This how I make. Girl, why do me like you wanna blow my mind? Baby, I am yours. You are mine. I can spend the night, so take your time. And just wind up for me. Pretty girl, I want you wind up for me. Wind up for me. Take your time and climb up for me. Wind up for me. Bump and grind up for me. Wind up for me.
Sav-La-Mar ladies. Check your time, girl, wine, funny dance. So, up that 3 days and sexy con. She come out Jamaica, she live from Toronto. Me invite her up in a canto. She wants some rougher than Rambo. Girl, your body sexy like me Lambo. She know how cash me do the tango. Me give her the Jamaican bambo.
Wind up for me. Pretty girl, I want you wind up for me. Wind up for me. Take your time and climb up for me. Wind up for me. Bump and grind up for me.
Sav-La-Mar,
wind up for me. Pretty girl, I want you wind up for me.
She come for your dose and the dancer portion. Me love all she motion. Girl, your skin clean like you're bathing in full of Jergens lotion. The wind up because an explosion. Girl, your bumper soon cause a commotion. Yellow yum in a me back hell.
Come get your groove on the island. Girl, wind up for me. Pretty girl, I want you wind up for me. Wind up for me. Take your time and climb up for me. Wind up for me.
Level.
Bump and grind up. Take it up.
Level. Big up Appleton Signature Nights.
Definitely.
Thanks for inviting me to your
Big
show.
up Guangos.
Guangos and the whole family.
Definitely.
Ladies, this song is a brand new song. Seeing Charly Black and Christopher Martin.
True.
Someone want to help me sing that song here, but
Yeah.
not only sing it. Ladies, if you know,
Waistline.
your underwear is not big like your pillowcase, you gotta whine.
You got to.
How me sound? One job. Take your time, girl, wine pon the dance floor. After 3 days of sexy convo, she come to Jamaica, she left from Toronto. Me invite her up in a me condo. She wants some rougher than Rambo. Girl, your body sexy like me Lambo. She no want cash for me do the tango. Me give her the Jamaican.
All of me ladies, boy, wind up for me. Pretty girl, I want you wind up for me. Wind up for me. Ladies, take your time and climb up for me. All me ladies now, wind up for me. Bump and grind up for me. Wind up for me.
Watch out. I can sing one more song before I come, please, and talk.
Of course, my brother, man.
Give me a one shot for the girl. One shot. No, pull up.
Pull up. Yeah, for just sing it. Start it again.
Man,
You don't let it out already.
Why you mix the rhythm for brother?
Just start it, cause the girl, them ready.
Rhythm, man. Jesus Christ. Ladies, place your hands on your knees. Now, sink in your back. Take a time and look on him, man. Sav-La-Mar girls on the ready. Go. Back up your big bump up on the bike back. Bump her the video bike back. See the jump on the jura. You like that? Yes, me like. In a your short up shots on the bike. In the fight over man, you not fight. Put your hand round me waist on the bike. Oh, girl, you're sexy so tail. Shape like an ham chicken pill. Drink up. Girl, your bumper proud, girl. See the bike back there, come chill. By show time, show me your skill. Me want to see every girl start whining, you know. Appleton, girl, then go. Wine for me, wine for me, wine for me, girl. Climb for me, climb for me, climb for me, girl. Wind up your body in the divine, like you are entertain party. Oh, shake for me, shake for me, shake for me, girl. Vibrate, vibrate, vibrate for me, girl. When the Cut back here, cock up your big bumper on the bike back. Bumper ready for the RR bike back. See the jump with it, you can ride. What me like? Yes, me like. In your shot up, on the back. Love her. Christopher Martin, come here, my brother.
Forward in my boss.
Forward, my brother. So you don't know, sir. Ladies and plenty people. This is Christopher Martin show. And we are brother. I will say we are forward come my show.
True.
So you don't know, so me say we are forward come my show.
Yeah.
Me see one of my next mad brother backstage, my bigger brother.
Jesus.
Don't stop the rhythm, you know. Don't stop the rhythm.
Come and carry
Cause
this.
here we're going to know. Yeah. Watch what we're going to know. They call him a madman on stage. Them man are terrible. Him ain't laughing. Watching glass. Watching boot. Turf. Somebody said 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 turf. Appleton! Them after me. Step out in the block. No take back shot to me. No, y'all again. I don't if that but now. Then me get your cat in and not she get babies. I'm no lazy. All right then. Y'all. What's gone? Smoke weed. Gone. Yeah. Somebody say hi.
Basically.
Pull up. Busy. Talk to the girl. I make her come off a man show. Talk to a girl, make her come off, make a man sing him song. Yo. Caliente che picante. Caliente che picante. Caliente che picante. Caliente che picante. Sav-La-Mar. Caliente che picante.
Like it.
Caliente che picante.
Yeah.
Hey, signature ladies. Y'all just wine on the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Wine on the edge, on the edge, on the. Y'all wine on the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Quint it, quint it, quint it. Hey, y'all. You're too bad. Level it.
Yeah.
Level it.
Don't say nothing. Oh, now if you make enough poor nice to my friend, let me know. You understand? Okay.
No, hey. Play the something there with him. Make we sing. I know a signature. Yeah. An Appleton signature nights. Yeah. So we have to do it right. We have to get the girl them sitting there. Yes. Yeah. That's sitting there. Want to take picture? Lord Jesus. Yes, man. Let me sing for the ladies a little bit there. Charly, I'm going to sing for the ladies them tonight too. I first time you're going to sing in your life, Sam. May I sing that song, you don't move. Shh. Hello, baby, can you come? Ladies, Sav-La-Mar, Appleton. Hello, baby, can you come home? I know loneliness taking off. Need you tonight. Come warm me up under the cove. Make me rock till the lampshade turn off. Rub my chest, rest your head on my shoulder. I make me listen song I need to be. Appleton signature in a sub. Alright, boom. Hey, girls, you're hot. And I'm always missing. Missing, baby. Lovely. Lovely. Charly Black, go and bounce it low. Charly Black, you sing for the ladies tonight. So even if one of them dance out song, they have to go sing it for the rhythm here tonight. Versatility, yeah, versatility. Appleton signature, versatility. Yeah. Level. You know all thing go, right? Me have to sing one song for the girl them bubble a little bit. Cause reggae. But, ladies, baseline. Honey wine, give me the honey wine. Honey wine, give me the honey. Honey wine, give me the honey. Oh, no, know that song, yeah? Sing. I remember the first time when you touched me. You wine. To the gong, to the gong, to the gong. To the gong, to the gong, to the gong. And girl, I remember when we first met. You tell me you want give me. So girl, I wind up your body till you. So till you gong, till you gong, till you.
Hold on there. Appleton signature. I beg him to sing on them DJ for girl them, but you think say me I eat that. Hold on there, see singer ya. Chris Martin there, D Major there, and one of artists there. Leah, everybody big up yourself, Javada. Me I try sing that Sydney, I can't sing like you sing at them, but listen to this. Level. Now I can't forget this evening when you're telling me to leave it, and I have you there, and then I go. You always smile, but in your eyes, your sorrow shows. Yes, it shows.
Alive.
And I can't forget tomorrow when I leave. I have you there, but then I let you go. You all are girls, so beautiful, Appleton girls, we know. Yes, we love. I want to see everybody sing that part of him. I want to hear you know. Shh, level. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live.
Hold on. Baby. Brown-eyed girls, can I walk with you?
No.
Sav-La-Mar, terrible.
Ace.